Jason here from Jay's Cave, and I'm going to be putting a lot of links below for the products I'm going to run through right now. So I'm not going to give you all the details because most likely, if you're like me, you'll forget them in 2 minutes anyhow. When you go to the Amazon links below, you'll be able to get and see whatever you'd like to review on the actual product specs. This is a knife. I know it's hard to believe. I don't have enough of them, but it's called the Pocket. There you are, the Pocket Samurai. And what I like about this knife is it weighs less than an ounce. It is freaking tiny. It is super small. To give you an idea, I mean, hopefully you know what these are. Next to a battery, it's not much. It's not much bigger. It's actually, to give you an idea, it is 2.5 inches. What I could do with another 2.5 inches is a whole nother story. But basically, super sharp knife. What I like about it is it's got a real lock on it. This thing isn't going to fold over and cut your fingers off when you're using it. That's always a plus. I mean, I wouldn't recommend you give it to your 5-year-old, but at the end of the day, you're going to be able to open up anything with this. It is super light. I think it's a great keychain item. The blade is really sharp. Some of the particulars, again, you'll see this on the web, but this is a grade 5 titanium handle. It's got some weight to it. I mean, for only an ounce, you feel it in your hand. It definitely feels like you're ready to slice some shit up with this. Am I allowed to say that? Bleep. Slice some bleep stuff with this. Really cool. To give you an idea, I pulled this out of my wife's garden. No, it's not a toy for pleasure. And if you could guess what this is, I'll send you the knife. How's that? Because I have no idea. So it is, again, really sharp. Holy shit, this thing's really sharp. And again, the blade just feels like it could do anything. It feels really strong. And, you know, I'm not a big keychain accessory guy, but the reality is, something like this on your keychain, you wouldn't really even feel the weight. And depending on where you live, I know in New York this wouldn't be considered illegal. The blade is less than 3 inches, and it's somewhat concealed, depending on where you put it. Again, it's a lockable blade, and you can put a keychain loop through this, and the clip itself. This will sit really deep in your pocket. The only thing that would actually be exposed is the top there. And you could even put a little lanyard through here or some 550 rope and be able to pull it easily out of your pocket. But highly recommend it. This is actually my second one. The first one I lost. I mean, the reality is, with a knife this small, you're gonna lose it. So if you keep it on your keychain, you know, chances are you'll have it when you actually need it. So this is the Pocket Samurai. It's about 40 bucks on Amazon. The link will be below. And we're gonna move right into our next item in the next video.